Hey friends, if you encounter the error, we couldn't install some updates using the account you signed in with the error code 0x80246017, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to clear the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. So I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Click on yes and paste the script here. The next solution is to restart your computer. Now why are we restarting the computer? We are restarting the computer because we need to sign out and sign in, and I think a better way to do that is to simply restart your computer. If you have an SSD, it would need 5 to 6 seconds to do the job. Lastly, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.